Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a really nice truck. This is a 2020 Ford F-150 King Ranch. Very nice, one owner, locally owned. We sourced this from a local client of ours. Very well serviced. It's got the EcoBoost, 52,000 miles. Really clean. It's got nice all-terrain tires on it. Those are Raptor wheels. Has a leveling kit. It's got the ranch hand grill guard, power running boards. FX4 package, has a tonneau cover in the back. Very clean. One tiny little kind of ding right there. Very nice. I'll step back. You can see the leveling kit there. It's got the two-tone, the stone gray bottom down there, paint. Take a quick look inside. Here we go. Driver's seat. Very nice. Don't see any bad wear there. Let me get out of the sun. There we go. This one's got adaptive cruise control. It's got technology package, 52,123. It's got the 360 camera, heated and cooled seats, max trailer package. Does have the pano roof, rear heated seats, FX4, inflatable seat belts. Very clean, well loaded. Oh, that one's locked. Take a quick look in the back here. It does have the all-weather mats as well. Underneath those are the carpet mats, and they look brand new. This is a non-smoker as well. So great truck for somebody. I know a lot of teenagers are driving these now. So if you got a kid looking for a good truck, this is the one. It's got some eyeball to it. Runs and drives great, no problems. Clean Carfax, clean title. Give us a call, text, email. We'll get back to you very quickly. A lot more pictures in the gallery on our website. Please like this video, subscribe. It helps the algorithms. We can ship this anywhere in the country to you. Long distance deals are easy to do. Finance deals are easy to do. So give us a call. Power rear window back there. Trying to think if I'm missing anything on this one, but the window sticker will be in the gallery as well. You can also find that on the Carfax. If you click on the Carfax, the window sticker will be linked on that as well. So hope to hear from you guys. Real nice truck, one owner, very low mileage for a 2020. And go ahead and holler at me on this one. Thanks.